Hello student, in today's class we are going to discuss coordinate geometry SSC PYQs. Now there is a disclaimer, the images, text and other material used in our presentation are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners. If you are the owner and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the same. Now see the question. First question is, what is the equation of a circle with center of origin and radius is 6 centimeter? And this question is asked in SSC CHSL exam in 2019. So there are four options. First one is x square plus y square minus x minus y equals to 36. Second one is x square plus y square minus x equals to 36. Third one is x square plus y square minus y equals to 36. And fourth one is x square plus y square minus 36 equals to 0. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that what is the equation of a circle with center of origin and radius is given, which is 6 centimeters. So we just applying the formula of the circle of the center of the circle, and then we get our answer. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is x square plus y square minus 36 equals to 0. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.19.1. So given that center will be 0, 0 origin point. So radius is also given, which is 6 centimeter. So equation of the circle is, we can write it, x minus a square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. We know that. So just putting the value, we get x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square equals to 6 square. So what we get? We get x square plus y square equals to 36. So we can write it into the form of x square plus y square minus 36 equals to 0. So that's why fourth one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The equation of a circle with center 1, minus 2 and radius 4 centimeter is, and this question is asked in SSC CHSL exam in 2020. So there are four options. First one is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y equals to 16. Second is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equals to 16. Third one is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equals to 11. And fourth one is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y equals to 11. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question is, the center is given, coordinate of the center of a circle is given, which is 1, minus 2, and radius is also given, which is 4 centimeter. We need to make the equation of the circle. So we have the formula to making the equation of the circle. So we just applying it and we get our equation. So the correct answer of this question is third one, which is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equals to 11. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.19 in this question. So given that radius is 4 centimeter and center's coordinate is 1, minus 2. So we know the equation of the circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. So we are just putting the value of the center's coordinate. So x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square, because the coordinate is minus 2. So when we putting the value of b minus 2, so it will become positive. So y plus 2 whole square is equals to 4 square. So we get a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. So we open it. So we get x square plus 1 minus 2x. Same way, plus y square plus 4 plus 4y equals to 16. So when we simplifying it, we get x square minus 2x plus y square plus 4y equals to 16 minus 5. Now we can write it x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equals to 11. So that's why third one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The area of the triangle formed by the graph of 8x plus 3y equals to 24, comma 2x plus 8 equals to y, and x-axis is and the x-axis is. Now this question is asked in SSC CGL exam in 2020. So there are four options. First one is 15, second is 14, third one is 24, and fourth one is 28. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So it is given that the area of the triangle formed by the graph, these two lines are given, and we need to calculate on x-axis. What should be the x-axis? So we can calculate it by using the formula. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is 28. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.20 in this question. So given that 8x plus 3y, which is equals to 24, so 2x plus 8, which is equals to y, so point of intersection will become of these two lines. So 8x plus 3y, which is equals to 24, and 2x plus 8 equals to y is 0, 8, point of intersection of these two lines. Now y equals to 0 and 2x plus 8 equals to y, which is minus 4, 0. So y equals to 0. So we can say that 8x plus 3y becomes 24. It is 3, 0. Using the product method in this question, so we can see this is a triangle and we need to calculate the area. So the coordinate of this point is 8, 0. We got the coordinate of this point is minus 4, 0 and 3, 0. Now we applying the formula of the area of the triangle. So 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y1 y2 minus y3 minus applying the formula. So we got 0 multiplying by 0, 0, or all will be in mod form because we know that area never should be in negative. So we applying mod 1 by 2 mod 0 into 0, 0 minus 4 into 0, 8 plus 3 into 8, 0 and mod close. So we get 1 upon 2 mod 56, which is equals to 28. So the area of this triangle is 28 square centimeter. Fourth one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The line whose equation are 2x minus 5y plus 7 equals to 0 and 8x minus 20y plus 28 equals to 0 are. And this question is asked in SSC CBT 2 exam in 2018. So there are four options. First one is parallel, second is perpendicular, third is coincident, and fourth is intersecting. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the line equation are given. The line whose equation are this and this are. And there are four options, so we can check it. So the correct answer of this question is first one, which is parallel. Now see the condition. So see the detailed solution using concept 17.16 in this question. So given that 2x minus 5y plus 7 equals to 0, 8y minus 20y, 8x minus 20y plus 28 equals to 0. So now 2x minus 5y plus 7 equals to 0. So we can write it in the form of 5y equals to 2x plus 7. Same way, y will become 2 by 5 of x plus 7 by 5. So slope m1 become 2 by 5 because we know that y equals to mx plus c. Now 8x minus 20y equals to 28 equals to 8x minus 20y plus 28 equals to 0. So we can write it 20y equals to 8x plus 28. So we can also write it y equals to 2 by 5 of x plus 28 upon 20. Now the slope m2 is 2 by 5. So it means m1 equals to m2. So we can say that if m1 equals to m2, it means Lines are parallel. So first one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. What is the area in square unit of a triangular region enclosed by the graph of the equation x plus y equals to 3, comma 2x plus 5y equals to 12 and the x-axis? And this question is asked in SSC CGL exam in 2018. So there are four options. First one is 4, second is -3, third one is 3 and fourth one is 6. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So we need to calculate the triangular area, and which is given between the graph line of x plus y equals to 3 and 2x plus 5y equals to 12. So we can calculate it. So the correct answer of this question is third one, which is 3. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.9 in this question. So x plus y equals to 3, 2x plus 5y equals to 12. Now we can calculate x upon 3 plus y upon 3 equals to 1 when we're dividing the first equation by 3. So what we get? We get x upon 3 plus y upon 3 equals to 1. This is our equation 1. In the same way, when we dividing the second equation by 12, what we get? So we get x upon 6 plus 5y by 12 upon 5. This is our equation second. Now x plus y equals to 3. This is our equation A. Other in second equation will become 2x plus 5y equals to 12. So we can visualize this equation in this diagram. So on solving equation A and B, we get the value of x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. So we get the coordinates. Now point of intersection we get, which is 1, 2. So the area of the triangle ABC will become, we need to calculate the area of this part. So we just applying the area formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Now we know that half base will become 3 unit, we can let it. Height will become 2 unit. Now when we simplifying it, so what we get? 1 by 3 into 2 into 3 into 2, we get 3, where AD, which is height, is 2 and BC, which we can calculate by OC minus OB. So OC is 6 and OB is 3. So what we get? BC is supposed to become 3. So we get our answer, which is area is 3 square unit. Third one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The equation of the line passing through the point of 1, 1 and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0 is, and this question is asked in SSC CBT 2 in 2018. So there are four options. First one is 3x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. Second one is 3x plus 4y plus k equals to 0. Third one is 3x minus 4y plus minus 1 equals to 0. And fourth one is 4x minus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. So in this question, the passing of the line through a point and the coordinate of the point is given, and the perpendicular line to the 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So we applying the formula and we get our answer. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is 4x minus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.8.5 in this question. So the given that the point is 1, 1. which through the equation of the line is crossing. So equation is also given that which is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So 4y will become minus 3x plus 5. So y we can get dividing by 4. So we get minus 3 upon 4x plus 5 by 4. Now we know that y equals to mx plus c. So m we get minus 3 by 4. So m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. This is our equation 1. When two lines are perpendicular. We know that when two lines are perpendicular, then the multiplication of the slope is equals to minus 1. So then m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. Now check the options. When we go through the option, so 4x minus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So we can calculate the slope. So slope we got. First we dividing the whole equation by. We can write it in the form of y. So we can write it minus 3y equals to minus 4x plus 1. Now the whole equation dividing by 3. So when we dividing the whole equation by 3, we get y equals to plus 4x by 3 minus 1 upon 3. So we get m2 equals to 4 by 3. This is our equation second. Now we have m1 which is minus 3 by 4. Now we have m2 which is 4 by 3. So from equation n1 and 2, m1 into m2 will become minus 1. So justifying it. So we can say that fourth one is the correct equation of the passing line. Next one. The graph of equation 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0 and 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0 intersect at the point P, and the coordinate of P is alpha and beta. What is the value of 2 alpha plus beta? Question mark. And this question is asked in SSC CGL 2018 exam. So there are four options. First one is 4, second is 3, third one is minus 4, and fourth one is 5. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So graph of equation is given. These two, 3x plus 5 plus y minus 5 equals to 0 and 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0 intersecting at a point which is coordinate is alpha and beta. So we need to calculate, first we need to calculate these coordinates alpha and beta, then we can calculate the value of 2 alpha plus beta. So the correct answer of this question is second one, which is 3. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.8 and 17.9 in this question. So given that 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. Now, so 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. So we can write it. We can write it in the form of 3x plus y, which is equals to 5. This is our equation 1. Same way, second equation we can write it 2x minus y equals to 5. This is our second equation. So, and 2x minus 5 equals to 5. On solving equation 1 and 2 and addition, so what we get when we add up, y will be cancelled out, and we got 3x plus 2x, 5x, which is equals to 10. Now we get the value of x. So we get the value of x, which is 2 units. So we can put the value of x in any equation and we get the value of y. So just putting the value of x in equation 1, so we get y equals to minus 1. Now we need to calculate the value of 2 alpha plus beta. So just putting the value 2 into 2 plus minus 1, where x is denoting alpha. So we get 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3, and y equals to beta. So 2 alpha plus beta equals to 3. So second is the correct answer of this question. Next one. Find the equation of a circle whose diameter has endpoint 4, 3 and minus 2, 1. and this question is asked in SSC CHSL exam in 2019. So there are four options. First one is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4x equals to 3. Second is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equals to 5. Third one is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y equals to 3. And fourth one is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equals to 5. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So we have the diameter, find the equation of the circle whose diameter has endpoints. So endpoint of diameter is given, which is 4, 3 and minus 2, 1. Coordinates are given. So the correct answer of this question is second one, which is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equals to 5. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.19 in this question. So given that the diameter endpoint is 4, 3 and minus 2, 1. So point of center using midpoint formula, we can calculate the value of x, which is x1 plus x2 by 2, which is 4 minus 2 by 2 equals to 1. Same way we can calculate y, which is y1 plus y2 by 2. It means 3 plus 1 by 2, which becomes 4 by 2, which is 2. So coordinate of the center we get, which is 1, 2. Now using the distance formula, we can calculate the distance, which is d equals to 3 square minus 1 square. So we get the distance square, which is equals to 10. Now distance, it means radius. We get the distance by using the distance formula, and distance we let it as a radius. So we know that radius square, we can say that also 10. Now the equation of the circle, we know that x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square equals to 10. Because we know that x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. So just putting the value, we get x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equals to 10. So when we simplifying it, we get x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equals to 5. So that's why second is the correct answer of this question. Next one. If the radius of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus c equals to 0 is 6 unit, then the value of c is, and this question is asked in SSC CGL exam in 2019. So there are four options. First one is minus 11, second is minus 10, third one is 25 and fourth one is 11. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. If the radius of the circle of this equation is given is 6 unit, then the value of c, we need to calculate the c. So we can calculate it. So the correct answer of this question is first one, which is minus 11. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.19 in this question. So given that x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus c equals to 0. So we get general equation is, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So just comparing it, because we let it as a g minus g and minus f as the coordinate of the center. So radius will become under root g square plus f square minus c. Now the comparing equation 2 with 1. So we can say that 2gx equals to minus 6x, 2fy equals to 8y. So we can get gx equals to minus 3f, which is equals to 4. So the radius will become under root g square plus f square minus c. So just putting the value, we got g equals to minus 3 and f equals to 4. So we just put the value. So radius will become under root in the bracket minus 3 square plus 4 square minus c, which is equals to 6. Radius is given 6 unit. So we get the value of c. So 36 equals to 25 minus c. So we get the value of c, which becomes 25 minus 36, which is minus 11. So first one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The graph of the equation 3x minus 20y minus 2 equals to 0 and 11x minus 5y plus 61 equals to 0 intersect at p a comma b. What is the value of a square plus b square minus ab whole upon a square minus b square plus ab? And this question is asked in SSC CGL Tier 2 exam in 2019. So there are 4 options. First one is 31 upon 41, second is 37 upon 35, third one is 5 upon 7, and fourth one is 41 upon 31. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the graph of the equation is given, which is 3x minus 20y minus 2 equals to 0 and 11x minus 5y plus 61 equals to 0 intersect, and the coordinate of the intersection is given, which is p a comma b. So we need to calculate the value of a square plus b square minus ab whole upon a square minus b square plus ab. So first we need to calculate the coordinate of PAB intersection point. Then we can put the value of a and b in this equation and we get our answer. So the correct answer of this question is first one, which is 31 upon 41. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.8 and 17.9 in this question. So 3x minus 20y minus 2 equals to 0. This is our first equation. And same way 11x minus 5y plus 61 equals to 0. This is our equation second. Now, so we get, when we simplifying, what we can write? We can write it in the form of first equation, which is 3x minus 20y, which is equals to 2. Same way, we can also write 11x minus 5y equals to minus 61. This is equation B. So on solving equation A and B, we can get the value of x and y, which is minus 6 and minus 1. Value of y is minus 1. So the point of coordinate of P, A and B intersection point, so which is Pxy, we can say that minus 6 comma minus 1. Now we can just put the value of A and B in the given equation. So the value of a square plus b square minus ab whole upon a square minus b square plus ab become 36 plus 1 minus 6 upon 36 minus 1 plus 6 equals to 31 upon 41. This is our correct answer. So first one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The graph of the equation x minus 2y plus 12 equals to 0 intersect 2x plus 3y equals to 11 at p comma x1 comma y1 and the x-axis at q x2 comma y2. What is the value of x1 minus x2 plus y1 plus y2? Question mark. And this question is asked in SSC CGL 2018 exams. So there are 4 options. First one is minus 9. Second is minus 11, third one is 13, and fourth one is 15. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the graph of the line, equation of the line is given, which is x minus 2y plus 12 equals to 0, intersect 2x plus 3y, which is equals to 11. And the point of intersection is P, which is x1 and y1. And the x-axis at q, x2, y2. So we need to calculate what is the value of x1 minus x2 plus y1 plus y2. So first we need to calculate the coordinate of P x1 y1 and q x2 y2. Then we put the value in this given equation and we get our answer. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is 15. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.8 in this question. So given that 2x plus 3y equals to 11, this is our equation 1. Same way x minus 2y equals plus 12 equals to 0. So we can say that x minus 2y equals to minus 12. This is our equation 2. So multiplying equation 2 by 2 and subtract 1 from equation 2. So what we get? We get y equals to 5 and equals to minus 2. So the point of intersection P x1 y1 we get, which is minus 2 comma 5, minus 2 representing x coordinate and 5 representing y coordinate. Now at x-axis y will be 0. At x-axis y will be 0 because at y-axis x is equals to 0. So, but at x-axis y will always be 0. So x minus 2y equals to 12 plus 12 equals to 0. So we can write it putting the value of y equals to 0. So we get x minus 0 plus 12 equals to 0. So we get the value of x, which is minus 12. We get the value of x2. And same way y2 we know that, which is 0. So point of intersection at point q will become, the coordinate of q is x2 y2, which is minus 12 comma 0. Now putting these values x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the given expression, so we get x1 minus x2 plus y1 plus y2, which is minus 2 plus 12 minus 5 plus 0. So when we simplifying it, what we get? We get 15. So fourth one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The graph of equation x minus 7y equals to 42 intersect the y-axis at P, which coordinate of P is alpha comma beta, and the graph of 6x plus y minus 15 equals to 0 intersect the x-axis at Q gamma comma delta. Find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. And this question is asked in SSC CGL 2018 exam. So there are 4 options. First one is 17 by 2, second is 6, third one is 9 by 2, and fourth one is 5. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the graph of the line which is given, equation is given, which is x minus 7y equals to minus 12 intersecting the y-axis at P alpha beta, and graph 6x plus y minus 15 equals to 0 intersect x-axis at gamma and delta. So we need to calculate alpha plus beta plus gamma and delta. So first we need to calculate the coordinates of alpha beta and gamma delta. Then we put the value in the given equation and we get our answer. So the correct answer of this question is first one, which is 17 by 2. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.8 in this question. So x minus 7y equals to minus 42. So we know that at y-axis x will be 0. So we can say that 0 minus 7y equals to 42. So minus minus will be cancelled out, and 42 dividing by 7 we get the value of y, which is 6. So the point of intersection of P alpha and beta, when we know that at y-axis x equals to 0. So alpha and beta become 0 comma minus 0 comma 6. In the same way, at x-axis y will be 0. So we get 6x plus y minus 15 equals to 0. So putting y equals to 0, so we get 6x plus 0 minus 15 equals to 0. Or we can say that 6x become 15. So x will become 2.5. Now we get the coordinate of q, gamma and delta, which is 2.5 and 0. So we just put these all 4 values in the given expression, which is alpha plus beta plus gamma and delta. So we get 0 plus 6 plus 2.5 plus 0, which is equals to 8.5. So 8.5 can be written in the form of 85 upon 10, or we can say that 17 by 2. So first one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. What is the area of triangle formed by the graph of the equation 2x plus 5y minus 12 equals to 0, x plus y equals to 3 and y equals to 0? And this question is asked in SSC CGL Tier 2 exam in 2019. So there are four options. First one is 6, second is 5, third one is 3 and fourth one is 2. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So we need to find the area of the triangle, and lines equation is given 2x plus 5y equals minus 12 equals to 0, x plus y equals to 3 and y equals to 0. So the correct answer of this question is third one, which is 3. Now see the detailed solution using concept 16.12.1 in this question. So 2x plus 5y minus 12 equals to 0. This is our equation 1. X plus y equals to 3. This is our equation 2. And y equals to 0. We just put it value. So putting the value of y in the other two equations. So what we get? We get 2x1 plus 0 minus 12 equals to 0. So we get x1 equals to 6. Same way, x2 plus 0 equals to 3. So we get the value of x2, which is 3. Now base will become x1 minus x2. We know that. So 6 minus 3 become 3. Height will become on solving equation 1 and 2. So y we get 2. Now we know that the area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So we have base and we have a height. So just put the value 1 by 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 will be cancelled out. We get 3 square units. So third one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. Find the coordinate of centroid of a triangle formed by the points 2, 5, 3, 9 and 8, 1. And this question is asked in SSC CGL 2019 exam. So there are four options. First one is 6, 6, second is 9, 15, third one is 3, 9 and fourth one is 3, 5. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the coordinates of the triangle is given, which is 2, 5, 3, 9 and 4, 1. We need to calculate the centroid. So just applying the formula of the centroid of the triangle and we can calculate it. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is 3, 5. Now see the detailed solution using concept 17.17 in this question. So given coordinate A is 2, 5, B is 3, 9 and C is 4, 1. We can let it anyone. Now we let it as in this diagram x1, y1, A, x2, y2, B and x3, y3, C. And C is our centroid. So C1 is our centroid of the triangle ABC. So we know that the coordinate of centroid are determined by x equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So in a triangle ABC, x1 we got 2, y1 we got 5, x2 we got 3, y2 we got 9, x3 is 4, y3 is 1. So just applying it, so we get the value of x, which is become 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 3, which is 9 by 3, we got 3. So the value of y will become 5 plus 9 plus 1 by 3, which is 15 by 3, which is equals to 5. So the coordinate of the centroid are 3, 5. So fourth one is the correct answer of this question. Thank you.